Hey everybody, and how's it going on? In this video we will be talking about how to turn off eco mod on Mitsubishi Mirage. So now the newer models of Mitsubishi Mirage will have the eco button located on the center console screen. You can bring it up and just press down on the touch screen to turn it off. So basically it is going to be having a monitor display using which you can simply interact and search for yourself the eco mod. It is not going to be having any physical button to turn off, but yeah, so it is incorporated inside the tablet that is provided by the car. So make sure that you simply turn that on and search for eco mod option in that. Older models of this vehicle do not have a touch screen, so you will have to locate the button. So similarly, the older versions will not have the touchscreen tablet, so you can simply locate the button. It is usually a big leaf button with a mentioned eco mod on that, and on the left side of the steering wheel. So it is usually available on the left side of the steering wheel. Eco mod is meant to assist your vehicle with running it in a way that is more fuel efficient. So you know why to use eco mod, and many owners enjoy using this mod as it increases the mile per gas rating for this vehicle and saves them money. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.